More like bed. What? Bistro. Please don't look my way. Please don't look my way. Buxton. Uh, the music is awful. Give up your care. I am not even a music artist, Shrimpo. I'm just a music box. Yes, annoying. Um, not this again. Turn it off. No. Your fault, Zeus. Win. So happy we made it off one floor. I am not. What? Let's go back. Shrimpo, we're not going back up. Now listen to me, I hate you. Who do you say that? Who dare you? I hate your rings. I hate the fact that you're so loud. We hate fish. What about shrimp? Shrimp and we're crustaceans. You two listen to my facts. I hate your facts. Would forget them if I called. Hey, yeah, bud. Why so serious? I hate seals. Shrimp wins. Well, I suppose one calls a you're one in a Carillion. Wrong. Cruskin, you lose. No, but the joke is krill and shrimp are both. Never mind. Shrimpo, do you need a hug to turn it from face upside down? I hate hugs. What? I hate hugs and I hate you. Never mind. Kristen, you're ugly. Shrimpo, you know I am a mirror, yes? An ugly one. But Shrimpo, I reflect so. No more talking, you're done talking. You know, you could stand to be nicer. No ever. I hate you. Sure, Shrimpo. I hate you too. Well, I like it. Frisked. Dazzle, you okay? Call me better. Or call me worse. Shrimpo, stop it. He's right. I'm always right. I'm Shrimpo. Don't listen to him. Shrimpo, is there a reason you are so very spiteful? Call me spiteful? I'm taking offense to that. Right, let's take this interview later. Truffle, I like dogs more than cats, and I hate dogs. I'm not even really a cat, technically. He's your cat. I'm not taking this from a little shrimp. I don't like your tone, Shrimpo. I don't like your horn fingers. You take that back. Shrimp of I hate you. Me? Everyone. Well, I guess what better when just me? I hate your dress. You know, Glisten said he liked it. I hate Glisten and your dress. What else do you hate? I hate that you ask what I hate. I hate elevators. Actually, they're kinda scary if you think about it. They're gonna crash. Ick. Wee. I hate television. You done? I hate not having the last word.